general, the money multiplier is given to us as currency deposit ratio plus 1 divided by currency deposit ratio plus the reserve deposit ratio, where the currency deposit ratio gives us a measure of how much currency people hold relative to the deposits they hold. So it's a measure of currency demand preference. While the reserve deposit ratio gives us a measure of how many reserves the bank holds relative to the total deposits they have. Now, the full deposit money multiplier is a special case of our general money multiplier under the following two assumptions. Number one, there is no currency demand, so people only hold deposits, which means that currency is zero. Hence, the currency deposit ratio, which is currency divided by deposits, will become 0 divided by deposits is just equal to 0. Second assumption is that the banks don't hold any excess reserves, so they only hold the minimum amount of reserves as required by the reserve requirement ratio set by the central bank. So under this assumption, your reserve deposit ratio becomes equal to your required reserve ratio. So when in our money multiplier formula, we put currency deposit ratio equal to 0 and reserve deposit ratio equal to the required reserve ratio, we get a full deposit money multiplier as 1 divided by the required reserve ratio. So it's just a special case of the general money multiplier under two assumptions. Number one, people don't hold any currency, and number two, banks don't hold any excess reserves.